What's poppin' everybody, is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So ito na yung pinakahihintay ng mga JML fans na isa sa mga most requested right now. So ito yung solo performance ni JM De La Serna sa kanilang katatapos lang na major concert, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the music of 60s, okay? So again, disclaimer po, hindi po ito sa akin na video, okay? This video is from Quiz KS, isa rin siyang YouTube reactor, and siya po talaga mismo yung kumuha ng video na to. Nasa concert siya. If hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe kay Quiz KS, please do subscribe to him kasi mas marami siyang mga live or actual videos ng JML kesa sa akin, no? Kasi ako, andito ako sa Mindanao. So I can't afford to go to Luzon every time merong mga events, no? Ang JML. So if you guys want a like a real-time update about concerts ng JML, you can go to his channel, Quiz KS. Okay? Quiz KS. Now, ako, nagre-react lang ako. So, I hope you don't mind, Quiz, na gagamitin ko na naman itong video mo for my reaction. Okay? So, anyway, if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And you can also follow me on my Facebook, David Lanyas. Also with my Instagram and in my TikTok. Okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. So, this is quite long. Not really, really long, but longer than the usual 4 or 5 minute performance. So, this is about 12 minutes and 17 seconds long. Okay? So, let's go. Ito mga ano na to, bam 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 bam. Ito mga areglo na ganito, pang ano talaga 'to eh. Pang parang ano, yung nauuso dati na mga tawag ng tanghalan dati pa, yung mga sponsor, yung fighter wine, mga ganun, no? Talagang pang barangay na pang malakasan na ano, bardagulan. 'Di ba? Oy, kinakanta to ng ano namin kapitbahay namin kada ano linggo, di ba? Let's go. To give you my love. I love you. Hey, I love the dynamics, huh? Nilalaro lang niya. Let's go. Beautifully done. Ano, ginanon lang? Ulitin nga natin yun. Napaka-relax, no? Pero sobrang powerful ng ano. Relax, powerful, yet calm. Okay? Alam niyo yun? Yung hindi siya sobrang aggressive, pero andun yung puwersa ng boses. Pakinggan niyo ulit, ha? Suabe. What? Kita nyo ba yung ano paggalaw niya sa stage, no? Palakad-lakad lang siya ng very slowly, no? Tapos ano lang, very relaxed lang, nakangiti, kumakaway-kaway pa sa mga nakikipag-interact pa yan ha. Pero if you just listen to it closely sa pagkanta niya, that's hard. Ganda ng vibrato. Umakyat sa 20th floor. Okay, from ground floor umakyat sa sa 20th floor. Hanggang kaya ganun. Ulitin natin yun. Kakatuwa to ah. Woo! Bro. Suabe. Blues to.
I've been in love so many times.
If hindi ako nagkakamali, kinanta to ni Mariel ng solo eh. No? Just help me remember kung saan. Pero if hindi ako nagkakamali, or duet yun. Nakalimutan ko lang.
I can't take it anymore, and it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love again. Gonna sing.
May audience participation. Nice. Very high yung confidence ni dito ni JM De La Serna, no? Yung naririnig niyo ba yung mga little or very subtle na mga runs na pakiliti-kiliti niya, no? That's an indication that he's very, very confident, no? Talagang suwabe. May facial expression pa na
I gave my heart so easily. I cast aside my pride, but when you fell for someone else, baby, I just broke up inside, and it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love. That's why I'm singing for love. No, never gonna fall
Nice.
Please don't make me fall.
Ito pag sinabi mong bardagulan, talagang number 1 tong kantang to. I can't wait. No, JM has performed this several times in the past, maybe many times in the past, no? Pero it never gets old, and it's always a pleasure, an excitement for everyone to listen to him sing this song, no?
I saw the light of the light that I passed by your window.
Ay, sorry. Akala ko ano to? Yung lady. Yung kinakanta niya na ano, Lady, what you doing? Ganun. Akala ko. Kasi yung intro, di ba? Very ano. sorry. My bad. Na-excite lang ako. But I believe, kakanta siya ng lady dito. I believe. Okay, hindi ko pa to nakita. This is a blind reaction. Okay? I've never played this video before before taking a video of me reacting to it, no? So, yeah. My bad. Sorry. Why? Delilah pala to. Kantato ng mga lolo't lola natin eh. Oh, may pasayaw oh. Para sila ng galawan ni Mariel. Ay, may pala yan. Akala ko why, Delilah. Oo nga, why nga talaga. Nakalimutan niya atang mag-key change. Powerful talaga. Key change ulit. Ito. Basic. Ano ba? Challenge ba to? Grabe talaga. Isa pa. Pinagtitripan si JM dito ah. Kuha pa rin. There's a bit of vocal strain dun ah. Just a bit, no? Okay. Okay, that was very impressive. Okay, ito ah. I'm not gonna lie, merong sa last na key change, merong konting vocal strain doon, no? Narinig natin. That was really high, okay? And let's give JM some grace, no? Let's be gracious towards him kasi that was not as easy as how we thought it should be. Tama ba? Basta hindi ganun ka-easy sa Kasi feeling natin minsan na easy lang kasi malawak yung range ni JM, no? But it's not that really easy, okay? It does seem easy para sa atin kasi sobrang galing niya. And he has a very powerful voice, okay? Pero it's not really easy. And yung sa last na binelt niya, na parang mix ata yun, no? Mix voice na gumanon siya sa last, the ending, the last note, no? Nung pag-start niya doon, konting-konting siya. I think it was a little bit flat, no? And then nung pagpasok nung banda ulit, naka-adjust siya. Very impressive, very impressive. Okay, para sa akin yun, ha. Now, let's be honest, no? Kasi hindi naman kasi every time, no, na alam naman natin na na magaling si JM, no? But let's talk about something, no? Something new, no? Let's get into a little bit parang detail ng konti, no? So, yun lang. But that was very impressive and that was kind of fun, no, to watch, na parang pinagtitripan siya, yet ginawa pa rin niya. Ang galing, ang galing. Very impressive talaga. Grabe. Daming Jamie lang.
Ay, salamat po! Palakpakan naman natin ating banda din ay napakagaling. Si Sir Chuck kasi. Ay, maraming salamat po!
Oo nga, parang huling tapatan nga, no? And I think sa rehearsal siguro hindi nila ginawa yung ganung kadaming key changes na ginawa nila dito sa actual performance ni JM. So kaya siguro medyo nagulat si JM.
Kapatid pala yun? Andiyan po ang music from the 60s. Ayan. Paniguradong may nakapag-reminisce kayo, no, sa mga...
Akala ko may lady. Wala pala. Lady ba yun? Lady.
Napasabay nga po kayo. So hindi
Tama
ako
ba?
nagkamali kanina. Madami makaka-relate. Maraming salamat po. No, but JBLs, sino naman dito ang mula sa 70s? Sige nga, magkaalaman tayo ngayong gabi. 70s.
Oh, that was 60s. Kailan ba yung lady? 70s ata yun or 80s? Kaya pala wala dito sa 60s.
Tayo 70s, right? 70s. Anong mga alam niyo yung song sa 70s? Go on. Sino? Hala, tinuro ka niya, mami. Anong alam niyo po na song sa 70s? Wala, kasi di kayo sure.
Oo nga. Well, I knew some old classic songs, to be honest. But, di ko lang sure anong decade siya, no? Or anong year talaga, if it's early 2000s, early 90s, 80s, 70s, di ko na alam. Okay? Di ko alam yung lady. Ewan ko lang. No? Tapos yung I did it my way. Ganun. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yun eh.
Pero nung 1970s, siguradong napasayaw kayo, no, sa mga awiting dumadagundong, of course, ang Manila Sounds at ang disco hits.
Oh.
Paano po yung gusto ko malaman kung ano yung mga moves ng mga tiga-90s? Sorry. Di ko maalam eh. Gusto ko malaman din po eh. Ano po ba?
Lakas ang boses ng isa. Kanina pa yan.
Abo. So, ito naman. Sino dito ang mahilig mag-disco? Disco to disco. For sure. Oo. Ngayon kasi ang uso ay ang Pobla ba yun? Pobla clubbing? Oo, di nakarelate.
Okay.
Di nakarelate dito.
Clubbing.
Ayan o!
Okay. I think ano to, last na to eh, no? We're about to end with this video. Uy, para siyang ano dito. K-pop or K-drama leading man, oh, 'di ba? Face card reveal. anyway, that was very impressive, ha. Super duper impressive ni JM, no? In terms sa kanyang vocals, ano talaga? JM is JM, no? Very powerful. Ganda, ang galing magmaneuver ng kanyang boses, no? Yung shifting kasi na ginagawa niya, yung mga placements, yung mga key changes, yung mga transitions, very suave, no? Very suave. And again, the last song, yung YYY Delilah, yung mga key changes, towards the end, a little bit of challenge talaga, no? Narinig natin si JM, but still, he was able to pull it off and end it with a bang. No? Good job. Very impressive. So, akala ko meron pang kasunod na mga kanta. Kaso, parang wala na. So, anyway, next natin si Mariel. No? Solo na naman ni Mariel. So, abangan nyo ang ating reaction for Mariel Montellano. Okay? And if there is a specific video that you really want me to react, don't forget na mag-comment kayo. Okay? I-like itong video na to, and if bago kayo dito, please subscribe. And also, yung music video nila na paano ba ang magmahal, I'll do a reaction video for that, but hindi sa ganitong setup, because I'm 100% sure if I do a ano tawag dito, a reaction video na ganitong setup, very clear yung video, hindi ko na i-edit masyado, that will be blocked kasi music video siya. So I'm gonna do something different, okay? I'm gonna do something just abangan nyo lang, and yeah, that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace. Bye.